What makes you happy? Is it cruising down the highway in a red-hot convertible? Helping your children build a bright future? Rediscovering those passions long forgotten? Or exploring the world at leisure? No, we're not granting any wishes here. But we would like to show you how you can save over 70% of your electricity bill and make every wish a happy reality. Redington Solar, the affordable, sustainable and accessible source of power that will change the way you save. Electricity is happiness. Business or home, call us to save and make a big difference.